Hey Mercedes Benz fans, here we have a brand new 2016 E250 BlueTEC 4MATIC twin turbo diesel. This Mercedes Benz has been provided for Max Truck 9906 to film by Mercedes Benz of Hagerstown, Maryland. For information on them, like their address, the link to their website, or their phone number, feel free to visit the description below. This one is wearing a black exterior. It also has alloy rims and LED turn signals on the mirrors. Tire sizes are 245, 45 R17s, remote keyless entry, LED headlights, here's a look at your window sticker. This one is priced at $60,515. 2.1 liter twin turbo diesel engine with 195 horsepower and 369 foot-pounds of torque. That diesel twin turbo engine is paired to a 7-speed automatic transmission. Also with this one is a 4MATIC, the 4MATIC system that Mercedes-Benz offers. You have the black exterior. Stepping inside, you have a silk beige leather interior with burl walnut trim. The walnut trim along your doors and continuing along the dash to your other door and also in the center. All leather panels here, soft to the touch. This here is all leather with stitching. All auto windows, power locks, power mirrors, and power seats with memory seats. Mercedes-Benz chrome plating on the way inside. Hood release located just above your e-brake. Exterior lighting controls, 3-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel with a light tan stitching and brown leather wrapping the steering wheel with perforated leather on the sides, brushed chrome inserted in the steering wheel, Bluetooth and audio controls also on the steering wheel, chrome outlining around your ventilation ducts throughout the whole front. Very nice gloss from the burl walnut trim. In the center, you have your information display up there. clock here also in the center below that. And below the clock is your audio controls. And down further is your climate controls. The burl walnut trim continuing down here, covering your cup holders, the power outlet, and an ashtray. Center console with 2 USB ports. This one also has a sunroof. Right there are your controls for it, in between your interior lighting for the front passengers. Rear door panel is also leather. All the way around the door panels are leather, and you have the burl walnut trim with a little bit of a chrome piece above that. Chrome interior door handles. You also have a beige carpet matching the beige leather. Power outlet for the rear passengers with a storage tray. Seat nets, leather. Nice amount of legroom. Not cramped at all. Comfortable seating position. You also have a beige headliner. And right there in the middle is interior lighting for your rear passengers. Nice amount of trunk space. Storage net to the left, storage compartment, and over to the right is a power outlet, and also a Mercedes Benz first aid kit. Down here is your spare tire. Also your jack is down there. Dual exhaust, chrome exhaust tips, and a chrome strip outlining the bottom of your bumper, continuing along the exhaust tips. Same door panel as the left side rear passenger. This seat is back quite a bit more than the driver's, but my knees still aren't touching the seat, and I still have room to be comfortable. In the center is a flop down armrest, also a storage compartment with cup holders, access to your trunk, perforated leather in the center of your seats. Front passenger has the same door panel as the driver, with your power seat controls, your memory seats, glove box, damped felt lining inside. Soft to the touch. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood at the 2.1 liter turbo diesel engine. Under the hood, you have the Mercedes Benz 2.1 liter twin turbo diesel engine producing 195 horsepower and 369 foot-pounds of torque. Very quiet purr. Let's go ahead and shut it off and do one more quick walk around of it. Excellent job by Mercedes Benz on this car. Fuel efficiency with a 2.1 liter turbo diesel engine, and also a good amount of power. So there you go. That's the startup, tour, and review of this brand new 2016 Mercedes Benz E250 BlueTEC 4MATIC 2.1 liter twin turbo diesel. Thanks for watching, and check out my other videos.